Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Suzuki SX4 SZT. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 109 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 54 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 44,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is the Superior White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. There's a slightly raised driving position there. There's an armrest and some cup holders there in the front for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The SX4 is a great car for the family, so again the raised driving position there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. A good amount of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got some carpet floor mats there, which I believe are from Suzuki themselves. And as I open the tailgate, to reveal a good sized boot there, which goes back quite a way with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have an extra bit of storage there, and you can lower the boot floor completely to increase it by the storage volume by a few inches. And below that, you've got your tyre inflator kit, as well as a bit of extra storage there for your first aid kit and so on as well if you wish. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.